Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, it is so nice to meet you. In today's video, I am going to be visiting two Target stores to see what they've put out so far for the Christmas 2022 season. So without further ado, let's go shopping.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah.
So this is the first Target store that I visited, and they had a small amount of Christmas items. And I thought these little snowmen in a pack of 3 for only $3 was a great price. And look how adorable they are. They also had a variety of reindeer. This was the smallest set, and you get 2 for $3. And they also had a medium size in which you could get 1 deer for $3. And these also came in a variety of colors, and I thought this little green with the white scarf was absolutely adorable. I like this particular set here. I think all these pieces could be easily turned into ornaments, used on a tiered tray, or in a small vignette. And this is the second option, and what caught my eye was that adorable little hot cocoa sign. And of course, the little miniature cutting board as well. Target also had these adorable little ornaments that were $1 each. And this gingerbread on this cookie sheet, they had this ornament last year. And if my memory calls correctly, the gingerbread recipe was a little bit larger. Target had a selection of miniature ornaments, and all these varieties were $5 each. And the blanket throws are back once again this year in the red, white, and green. And just take a look at these adorable pillows. I think this one was my favorite. I like the black and white combination with the trimming in red. I thought this Christmas tree pillow was interesting. I'm not sure if this was a repeat from last year, but if it was, could you leave a comment below and let me know. These adorable deers were absolutely charming. I like the pink and the white. And each set was only $3. on to the next store. So the first thing I noticed in the store was this tabletop sign that said hot cocoa bar. It comes with its own stand, all for $3. As I continued my shopping, I noticed that Target had a lot more cocoa themed decor this year. Way to go, Target! I like these jars. I think they will be great to add to a hot chocolate/coffee bar station or anywhere in your kitchen or anywhere that you choose to add that little pop of red for the Christmas season. Target also had a variety of Christmas trees in all different sizes, from mini to small to medium, in all different colors and textures and styles. And this bottle brush tree actually lights up.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
I thought these disposable coffee cups were at a great price because you get 10 in a pack for only $3, and I really love this black and white set here. This wooden crate is a repeat item that Target had last year, and I actually have the white one. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We also have these. They're all little stampers for $1. Yes. And this one. So now we're in the Hearth and Hand department, and this beautiful wreath caught my attention. It was a natural looking pine wreath, and it was only $39.99. I did notice quite a few toys that was also included in the Hearth and Hand collection this year, and this particular plane here caught my attention with the pops of red and the natural textures of the wood. I like this evergreen pick here. It looks so realistic to what I'm used to seeing in nature, and I thought the price was great as well. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today and going along with me as I took a walk through to my local Target stores. I hope this video motivates you and gets you excited for the upcoming Christmas season for 2022. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here and you would like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome new friends to this family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.